So there's a neural network called GAN. It's called Generative Adversarial Network. And basically what it is you can kind of lump sum put all these images into it and it spits out new images. So what this guy did, he put like pretty much all the Pokemon images inside and then it kind of spat out like a bunch of like different looking Pokemon.
So the Pokemon that it spit out aren't actual Pokemon. It's a best guess of creating new ones based on the data analyzed from the pre-existing actual Pokemon.
Yeah, it's really interesting because like every Pokemon looks different. It has different colors, different shapes.
Yeah, they're all
sizes.
unique.
And what's interesting is that this program was used for different body types for humans. So I'm showing here is basically just a video of people that look like humans, but it's all generative.
I like what you just said. People that look like humans. That's heavy.
Well, they're actually not humans, but they look like humans.
That's heavy. People that look like humans. Things.
Yeah.
Objects that look like humans. Wow. That's wild. So it's a similar type of AI here that is generating humans based on a data set of potential humans and meshing them together to create these different looks.
Yeah.
Data grid, model generation AI. So you don't need to hire a model anymore.
Exactly. For like the fashion industry.
Fashion industry. So, and weirdly enough, it's kind of like they're moving as well, are they? Or is that just the...
It's just the program working like
but
humans together.
So you have, let's say you're H&M or something. You go all AI on the website. You get the AI to try on all the looks.
Yeah, different body types.
And you don't hire any more models.
Exactly.
Wow. And you can get in there and tinker with whatever AI you think best sells your... Or one step further, the individual, the shopper, could be on the site and pick an AI that's most suitable to their body type to try on the thing instead of the one or two models that are available in the image section before they order.
Yeah.
This could revolutionize online clothing shopping. Hey, Will?
Yeah.
Cool story, man. Well done. Breaking it down. AI, science, computers, technology, the future, Blade Runner, allergies.